Foods that support your kidneys. We've consulted the experts to determine what foods best support your kidneys. Welcome to the Fast Vegan. Let's dive in. 1. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that's high in vitamin C, fiber, and anti-inflammatory compounds. According to Healthline, cauliflower supports kidney health by helping to reduce inflammation and providing essential nutrients. Be sure to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are low in potassium and high in antioxidants, which can help protect the kidneys from damage. Mayo Clinic states that they make a great snack or topping for oatmeal and yogurt, as they can help reduce inflammation and provide essential nutrients. 3. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in vitamins A, C, and B6. According to NCBI, they can help support kidney health by providing essential nutrients and reducing inflammation. 4. Garlic. Garlic is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Healthline suggests that incorporating garlic into your diet may help support kidney health by reducing inflammation and protecting against oxidative stress. 5. Cabbage. Cabbage is a low-potassium vegetable that's high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. According to Harvard Health, it can be a kidney-friendly addition to your diet, as it provides essential nutrients and helps support overall health. 6. Onions. Onions are low in potassium and high in antioxidants, which can help support kidney health. Mayo Clinic explains that they can help to improve heart health, reduce inflammation, and provide essential nutrients. 7. Apples. Apples are a great source of fiber and antioxidants, which can help protect the kidneys from damage. According to Healthline, they can help to regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. 8. Cranberries. Cranberries are known for their ability to support urinary tract health. NCBI reports that they can help to prevent urinary tract infections, which can be beneficial for individuals with kidney issues. For more information on kidney health and vegan living, visit thefastveganbrand.com.